In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Telegram channel. To get started, open the official Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the real Telegram application so you can access all the standard channel creation features without any confusion. Once the app is open, sign into your Telegram account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main screen where your chats and conversations are displayed. From here, look for the plus icon and tap on it. This is where Telegram gives you options to start something new, such as a chat, group, or channel. When the menu appears, select New Channel. This will take you into the setup process for creating your own channel. Next, tap Create Channel to begin. Telegram will now ask you to enter the basic details for your channel. Type in the name you want your channel to have. Choose something clear and recognizable, especially if you want people to find or understand your channel easily. After that, upload a profile picture. This helps give your channel a more complete and professional look, and it also makes it easier for people to identify. You'll also see a space to add a description about the channel. Use this section to briefly explain what your channel is about so viewers know what kind of content to expect. Once you've entered the name, added the picture, and written the description, tap the check icon to continue. Now you'll need to choose the channel type. Telegram lets you decide whether your channel will be public or private. If you choose public, you'll need to create your own public link. This is the username style link people can use to find your channel directly, so try to make it simple and relevant. If you choose private instead, Telegram will automatically generate an invite link for your channel. That link can then be shared only with people you want to invite. After choosing the type that fits your needs, tap the check icon again. Telegram will then give you the option to add contacts right away. This is useful if you already know who you want to invite to the channel from the start. You can select contacts now or just review the list as needed. Finally, tap the right arrow button to proceed, and your Telegram channel will be created. That's all it takes. Once your channel is ready, you can begin posting updates, sharing content, and building your audience directly inside Telegram.